Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day and a beautiful weekend with your family and friends. We're going to jump into charts, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've got large trades open, also on Ton. Bitcoin pulled back a little bit, which is, it didn't activate my trade yet. I started a $10K to $1 million challenge. So let's see if that challenge activates. If you make gains from me, I want you to hire social media marketers to push messages of peace and anti-war. If you make gains, if you've been watching my videos for 6 years, you're already rich, so please start doing it. Hire social media marketers, get them to push messages on socials for anti-war and peace. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 915, which is beautiful. This week up from 853. So even with this pullback, we're still up 65k this week. This month from 729, so up around 250 or some, almost 200k. You can see Bitcoin where I opened the trades 4th of July, 26th of and this one was 22nd of the 6th. Looks like a little bit ahead and shoulders, but still bull flaggy. We're going to jump in technicals. Funding fee is positive. My Bitcoin trade 57,000, my Ethereum trade 53,000 in the profits, and Ton trade, it was pumping, but it pulled back a little bit. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was going for a new high and then pull back. We're going to jump now into the technicals. My 10K challenge on Weex has not yet activated the trade. So you can remember in yesterday's video, I set trades for longing Ethereum 3200 and 16116 on Bitcoin. They both did not yet activate. You can check out the video for the orders. So we're going into technicals. Market quite flat. Nothing really moving today. It is the weekend, 118,400 on Bitcoin. On the weekly charts, we've got 1 day, 13 hours left. And it still looks like the big bull flag and inverse head and shoulders. You learn them in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com. Target 147, inverse head and shoulders. And then you have this bull flag, and that target is 137. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy from 23k. Bitcoin indicator bot is still a buy. It fired a sell bot actually, but then it flipped back to a continuation. Then it again activated the sell on the pullback. So we have 1 day to cancel that sell. It's very important to see that actually. If that sell triggers the RSI, if we've got if this bull run should be a strong one, we've got more to run on the RSI. So it peaks usually. You can see where the RSI peaks. Here at the top, you can see on this point here where it peaked. 1 second. So we've still got more to run. Squeeze mob and stochastic. Squeeze mob already double topped. Stochastic is still going green. Let's go close up. Daily on Bitcoin, still a bull flag on the daily as well. You can see Paul and flag on the 4 hourly. Oversold on the stochastic and the RI. Volume is strong, but a little bit still looks like a bull flag, but a little bit looks like a head and shoulders as well. So we could get a little bit of a pullback. That's why I had the trade at 116. But if I draw this out, it still looks like a bull flag. This is still a bull flag. And if we measure the distance of this pole, the target would be, in the shorter time frames, 4 hourly, target would be 125. So that's one target. So I'd still go long, but I set the trade at 116. It hasn't yet activated, and that's the trade I set on the 10,000 to a million challenge. Opening 116, stop loss 114.7491. Take profit at the targets 137, 145. Risk toward 25 times 1,100 to make 29,000. So I still think we have more to go. I don't think this is over because of the bull flags and the inverse head and shoulders. But we got to see how it plays out for tomorrow, and if it closes in the positive. Still a little bit of head and shoulders on the short term. Let's go into Ethereum 3,500. Ethereum pumped like crazy. We're already up. If you were buying Ethereum with me in April, we are now the April tariff time. We are up 152%, which is amazing, and everything is heading up. Stochastic, RSI, Squeeze Mob, they are all pushing up right now on Ethereum. We're already long in our Ethereum trade as well. My Ethereum trade is 53,000. Ton is pulling back a little bit, but it is a big trade. So it looks like 2K, but it's quite a big trade. Ethereum 3676, still also bull flagging position. Like, doesn't look like a pullback yet. We are at a big resistance though, this 3500, but we smashed through to the 3300. So we broke through these resistances very easy, like butter. So I do think we're going to go and try to push up to a new all-time high for Ethereum. I do believe it will push for it. The volume is massive. Squeeze Mob and Stochastics are still heading up. On the 4-hourly, they are a little bit overbought, but it does still look bull flaggy. I would keep the trade where I set 3,200. If there is some spike down, then that trade would activate, take profit 4,100. Risk reward is 9.5 times. Let's go total market cap. We hit the total market cap on the monthly. You can see that bull flag playing out, target 4.2 trillion, and we're quite close to hitting that. But then if you measure out the inverse head and shoulders on this is all cryptocurrency combination, that means the altcoin season could start. That target is 4.6 trillion. And I've been saying this since it was a few hundred million, that if you've been following my videos since 2021, we were buying down here on these videos 1 trillion, so we're already up 4x on the whole crypto market. But if you've been following me for a long time, my target is 100 trillion, the same size as the stock market. People thought I was crazy when I was saying that about Bitcoin, and look where we are when it was like a few $100s. And follow me on X. There's a lot of giveaways I'm doing right now. Over on X, 107,600 followers. I'm doing that $1 million challenge. Socialism versus capitalism explained in one chart. In 1970, North Korea, 325 GDP. 260 South Korea. 2023, North Korea's socialism. South Korea's capitalism. Now socialism in North Korea doubled in 50 years to 640. And South Korea massively increased to 35,000 and joined the capital world. Make sure the elderly have dignity in their old age. How you treat them is how you will be treated when you are old. If you get rich from learning abundance to your mother and father, hire social media managers to push message of peace and anti-war. Comment that you agree. Grok will choose a winner in with $100 in 5 days. I posted this 4 hours ago and 229 of you already in 12,000, which is amazing. So many people. I'm watching. I see who supports me the most, and but Grok will randomly choose this one. I should tell Grok next time to choose someone that supports me the most. If you don't give up, you will 100% succeed. Life is long and life is short at the same time. Enjoy your days. And there is another competition to get my X unblocked. It seems to be blocked a little bit for $200 somewhere there. You can see all the posts that I make. Join us in the Telegram as well. There's 709 of you. People sharing, Jesper sharing charts. He's a great chartist. People sharing charts, discussing. Get the Telegram International. Big signing at 2:30 at the White House. Just yesterday there was news. They signed they're signing like crypto laws to make it better apparently. This guy went long on Pengu. I wouldn't go long on meme. Like, be careful of meme coins. You need it unless they're very building like great things, you know. And you can just join them in the conversation. 709. Lower the rate. Too late. He's talking about Jerome Powell. People discussing. 708 of you online. All the links are under the video. Down below, you've got Bybit 60k bonus, Telegram free link, Crypto Muscos, Stockroom Muscos, Lots of Money, $200 bonus on sign up on Weex, where I'm doing that 10,000 to a million challenge, which is awesome. Let's read some of your comments. Yesterday's video, 5 of 10, 4,000 people. 4,000 people. Most of you are from, let's check where the audience is from. Audience. Most of you are from, I have to check it on mobile, computer. Most of you are 25 to 54, which is awesome. A lot of some elderly rich people as well, which is beautiful. 95% of you are male. I gotta be more approachable to women. Most of you from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, which is beautiful. And let's read some of your comments. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Beautiful quote from Jesus. Hey James, what are your thoughts on Dogecoin and potential double bond? I'll do Doge next video. I like Doge, only blocked because you spoke the truth about P. Thank you, James. I like your challenge. I'll start this challenge with you. I'm doing that 10k to a million, and those trades are set. James, I'm second on your squad currently, but I made a mistake shorting ETH. I wouldn't short in a bull market. It's not financial advice, but be careful shorting in a bull market. It's not a good idea. Hey James, been watching you for a long time, and I think we're gonna pump like crazy at the moment. I wish I have one Bitcoin. Study and learn, and you will. What about MCRT? I've been buying more, and they're building amazing. Love you, bro, but you have to do your own due diligence. Everyone, not financial advice. I own these assets and seed invested some. You are amazing. Thank you, James. I'm a small business owner trying to become successful. Amazing. XRP is leading the market. Don't avoid it, my boy. Let's go XRP. Beautiful. But it did a bit gains, like maybe 30%. But we got, if you see here, I talked about it just recently. We got more gains on what I was buying since April. I'll show you. I asked Grok. here. How much, Grok, how much are all these companies since I bought in April? And Grok answered, but it's actually much more than this. But Grok, 35% on Bitcoin from 86 to 818, 18% on ETH, which is wrong because ETH was 1,400 when I bought in April, and 256,000 of you saw that. So it's up 152%. Tesla up 41%. Nvidia, also Nvidia's up 90. Nvidia's up more as well. I answered Grok about that too. Nvidia is up 98%. So we made mega gains since April, which is great. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I hope you have a beautiful day. If you're curious or skeptical, I recommend getting into crypto, learning about it, learning about Bitcoin, buy a little bit, hold it yourself, try to understand what this technology is. Take the courses to understand. If you're not a good trader or you're very emotional, I like to buy just Tesla, Nvidia, Google, Bitcoin, DCA. You could just DCA depending on your income. So $100 a month into each of them. That's, in my opinion, the best strategy. But again, you have to do your own due diligence, consult your brokers, not financial advice. I hope you have a beautiful day. Try to learn, try to study, try to make lots of gains, and then hire those social media managers to push messages anti-war and peace. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.